Mr. Billy, librarian, creator of 3 King Visions. Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Best Kids Show on YouTube. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter as well. But hold up, everybody. Has anyone seen Busy the Bee? Busy. Has anyone seen Busy? Whoa, there goes Busy. Everyone say, hello, Busy. I know. We got an amazing story today. But first off, our song of the day is With My Little Hands. Hey. You got to follow Mr. Billy. Here we go. With my little hands, I go clap, clap, clap. With my little feet, I go tap, tap, tap. With my little arms, I wave bye, bye, bye. With my little legs, I kick, ha, ha. With my little eyes, I go peekaboo. With my little mouth, I go, I love you. Good job, everybody. Oh, man, I'm so excited. We got an amazing story. Our story of the day is A Lone Bird, a story about autism, written by Amelia Peace. Whoa. Hey, Busy, what do you have to say, man?
Man, Mr. Billy, I really love this story. A Lone Bird, a story about autism. Shout out to Amelia Peace.
Hey, that is my boy Busy the Bee. Let's dive into this story. Tilly Bird is alone. Tilly Bird feels all alone. Whoa. Why does she feel all alone, y'all? Why does she feel alone? Hey, Busy, what do you have to say?
Mr. Billy, why does Tilly Bird shy away? I would love to be her friend.
Oh, that's sweet, Busy. That is sweet. You know, why does Tilly Bird feel this way? Why does Tilly Bird shy away? Why does she shy away, y'all? Why does she shy away? I wonder why. Let's find out. Let's see if we can help Tilly Bird. Let's see. You know, does Tilly Bird's classmates want to play? Yay! Let us see what the teacher and the students have to say. Whoa! Look at those cool students with that basketball right there. Let's see. Tilly Bird is loud. She cries a lot. Tilly Bird is mean. She hits a lot. Oh no! What's going on with Tilly Bird, y'all? What is going on? Let's find out. Let's see what happens next. Tilly Bird does not listen. She misbehaves a lot. Tilly Bird does not play games. She wanders around a lot. Oh no, Tilly. What is going on, y'all? What is going on? Tilly Bird feels alone because Tilly Bird is all alone. But you know, science is fun. It is. Look at that science teacher. He looks pretty funny to me. Tilly Bird does not say words. She does not say any words, anybody. So she screams and cries just to be heard. Just to be heard, everybody. Just to be heard. Tilly Bird feels ignored. So she hits and pushes others just to be seen. Why is Tilly Bird doing that? She wants to be heard, y'all. She wants to be heard. Tilly Bird feels misunderstood. Welcome to the library. Whoa! That's my favorite place to be right there. So She takes the things she wants and ends up breaking class rules. Whoa. What is going on, everybody? What is going on? Tilly Bird plays different types of games. She plays different types of games. She loves to run and spin around all day. I like that, Tilly. Let's see. Being different does not mean it's bad. Being different should not make you feel sad. It shouldn't make you feel sad, y'all. It shouldn't make you feel sad. We are all different. And we always got to celebrate our differences. I like that. That's a bar. Tilly Bird has autism, and that's not bad. So let us change from being brass. I like that. Yay! Let's change the mood. I like that. Let's show Tilly Bird that she's included in this class. Yay! Look at Tilly Bird right there. Oh man, she got her friends. Look at the board. Kindness, friends, and autism. The end. Yay! Wow, that was an amazing story. Shout out to Amelia Peace. But hold up, everybody. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Whoa, what was that? Guess what it's time for? It's time for the Bumblebee song. My little ones, hold your hands up like this. And here we go. Bringing home my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Oh, it stung me. What we gonna do next, y'all? We gonna squish the bumblebee. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Oh, it's sticky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna lick the bumblebee off my hands. I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Oh, it's yucky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna wipe the bumblebee off my hands. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Now my mommy be so proud of me. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Look, double bumblebee, yeah! Thank y'all for coming to Storytime. We appreciate you, little future kings and queens. Don't forget to subscribe to 3 King Visions on YouTube. And remember, it's all about the kids. Goodbye.